Hey guys, Photo Junkie here. I've been recently in the Cyprus Comic-Con. I've covered Hearthstone competition there, and I've picked up on this POW box, which is kind of like a hot pop kind of store. And I've picked up this mystery box, and today I'm going to unbox it for you and basically just show you what's inside. So as you can see, it's fairly regular mystery box, nothing on the cover for you to know what it is. Let's open it. Alright, so we need to see what side is up. Let's go with this. Alright, so this is the box. It's open. So the first thing you see is a Star Wars Darth Vader on this side, if you can see it, and Yoda on the other side. It's kind of like a beach bag. Looks cute. The other item is a fidget spinner, which, as you can see, has some nice shapes to it, and it's pretty nice. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's fairly wrapped, so. Alright, so it's a full ceramic fidget spinner. Do people still do that? I don't think so. Has some weight into it, as you can see. I'll put it here so it will focus. Focus. Okay. Alright, has some nice texture to it. Spins very nice, quite quiet, you can see. Cool. Another theme is an Assassin's Creed keychain. Assassin's Creed keychain. Let's see that it's out there. Cool, from Gaia. Ah, this is cool. Naruto wallet. Has a nice feature to it. This is cool for the kids. Lovely. And the last thing, this is heavy. What is it? Oh, it's a mug. Cool. So the last thing is a POW the Shop mug. This will go into my collection. Has all the figures out there. A lot of cool characters from both DC and Marvel and other stores. And if you can focus on that. Really? Yeah. So this is the mug. So, Comic-Con, Cyprus Comic-Con 2017 box, mystery box was 15 euros. Value here, I would say fairly close to that. No, but really nice, and a lot of cool items. Wallet for some kids. My wallet is a bit adult. Fidget spinner if people still play with it. A nice keychain, which obviously I'm going to use, and this Star Wars bag. See you in the next video.